everyone, I'm back with another makeup tutorial on this 90s inspired look. So if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. First, I'm applying my face and eye primers to help my makeup last throughout the day. For foundation, I'm using this one from Shiseido. I just talked about it in my favorites video too. I love this foundation because it has a really beautiful finish. Now I'm just lightly setting my face with this translucent powder from Laura Mercier and a beauty blender. I'm going to quickly fill in my brows with Anastasia's Dip Brow Pomade. I just changed the shade I used from blonde to ebony, which is a dark brown, almost black shade. Now for the eyes, I'm going to take the shade Spice Trip from the Fenty Moroccan Spice palette. I would say it's like a muted purplish color, and I'm gonna apply that around my eye socket area in this half circle motion. Next, I'm taking a mauve shade and applying that all over the lid. Then I'm using a fluffy brush to make sure it's blended really well with the first color. I'm also going to apply that all over the lower lash line. Lastly, back to the Fenty palette, I'm taking this brown shade and applying it to the outer corners of my eyes. I'm also applying it to the outer half of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to draw some sharp winged lines with this brush tip liner. For lashes, I'm using my go-tos, the Ardell Wispies. I like these because they have a thin strip and are super comfortable to wear. They're also pretty easy to apply. Moving on to contour, I like to start with the top of my nose between my eyebrows, then bring it down the nose bridge, contour the tip of my nose, and sometimes, if I'm not lazy, I'll contour a bit of the sides as well. Now I'm just contouring the rest of my face. For blush, I decided to use this one from Kaja Beauty just to try something different. I'm using my hands here to blend it out and spread the product across my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going back to the Charlotte Tilbury palette and applying that to the inner corner of my eyes, down the nose bridge, and over my cheekbones. Lastly, for lip color, I've been wearing this one from Jouer Cosmetics. It's a matte formula, so it can feel a little bit drying, but it's actually more comfortable than most other ones I've used, and it has really strong staying power. And here's the final look. I hope you like this tutorial. I think it's a great look for fall. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!